Hello everyone, I'm just doing a quick update from the last video on the tomatoes. So we had not put up the grow light yet for however long it's been, since probably like a week or two. And so after they sprouted, they started to search for the sun, and so they started to bend a little bit. So we took old chicken coop light and we got a package of 4 LED grow lights on Amazon for $8. Well, roughly $8. Last year, yeah, last year, and this is still this is still the first light bulb that we put in the whatever lamp, and it straightened them out within a few hours of them being almost all the way over. And yeah, that's about it. And it's a cheap fix to, instead of purchasing a whole like grow light setup, which is a lot more money. The $8 is way cheaper. And so yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.